Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the CNBC app. First, let's get you started by downloading and installing the app on your smartphone or tablet. Once installed, you will find the main navigation at the bottom, offering quick access to news, market data, and your personalized watch lists. You can easily customize your news feed to prioritize the industries and companies that matter most to your financial interests, ensuring you see relevant information first. The CNBC app is your go-to source for up-to-the-minute market information. You can access real-time stock quotes, track pre-market and after-hours trading activity, and monitor global indices. Plus, you can stream live CNBC television directly within the app, or catch up on demand with a vast library of video content. Enable breaking news alerts to ensure you are always informed about significant market-moving events, right on your device. Make the CNBC app truly yours by personalizing your experience. You can easily create and manage several watch lists, allowing you to track all your investments across different portfolios. Set up custom alerts for specific price movements, earnings announcements, or breaking news related to your holdings. The app also lets you explore a wide range of asset classes, including individual stocks, exchange-traded funds, bonds, and commodities, all within one convenient platform. Beyond the basics, the CNBC app offers powerful advanced features for deeper market analysis. Dive into comprehensive company profiles, including detailed financial statements and key metrics. Utilize robust charting tools with dozens of technical indicators to visualize trends and make informed decisions. You can also access exclusive expert analysis and investment strategies from top financial professionals, providing valuable insights to help you navigate the markets with greater confidence and understanding.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.